Let's start the lesson on reading skills. Determine the main idea of paragraphs. In this lesson, we will begin with the importance of determining main ideas. We will move on to the way to do it. Finally, we'll check our comprehension. Let's start with the importance of determining main ideas. Determining the main idea in each paragraph is as important as finding the overall understanding of the whole reading text. By finding the main idea of each paragraph, we can take notes, create a summary outline, and a word web of the reading easily. How to determine the main idea? To determine the main idea, we read the first line of the paragraph, and then we skim through the rest of the text quickly. Some paragraphs have a heading that carries the main idea. Therefore, we can also read the heading of a paragraph. Now, let's have a practice on determine the main idea. Do you know when is determine the main idea useful? When we take notes, create a summary outline and word web, we need to determine the main idea. So how to determine the main idea? We read the first line of the paragraph first, and we skim the rest part of the paragraph. If there is any heading, read it. Okay, let's go with a more challenging task, a quiz. In an essay explaining why eating healthy foods is good for you, what would the main idea be? The answer is C. Where will you look at when looking for the main idea? Yes, the answer is A, the first sentence. Now, let's have a quick review of today's lesson. It is both important to have an overall understanding of a reading and determine the main idea of paragraphs in order to take notes, create a summary outline, or a word web of the reading. To determine the main idea, we can read the first line of the paragraph and quickly skim the rest. We can also find clues from the headings of the article. The steps to determine the main idea are reading the first line of each paragraph, skimming the rest, and reading the headings. Good job! That's the end of lesson for today. Thank you for joining this online course. This online course is funded by the Ministry of Education.